So, what do you know about Chinese pinyin? First, let's look at the pinyin for these two characters. 你好. Okay, so this is the pinyin for 你好. Look at them. I will say it includes three parts. The white part, we call them initials. And the red part, we call them finals. And there is a small mark above the red part. That is what we call the tones. There are four basic tones in Chinese language, which is mm, 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 mm. Okay, now let's look at those initials and finals. These are all the combinations of the initials and finals. But don't worry, you don't need to remember that right now. I just want to show you the whole picture before we start. So later we'll practice them in words, phrases, and sentences. Okay, so how many syllables do we need to know? According to the HSK standard 2021, you'll need to know 608 syllables at the elementary level, 908 syllables at the intermediate level, and 1,110 syllables at the advanced level. Now, let's begin with those letters.